In the golden fields where the tall grass gleams, lives a lioness queen from our wildest dreams. Soft as the breeze, yet strong as the sun, she watches her kingdom, every single one, with gentle eyes and a heart so wide. She walks through the savanna with quiet pride. Oh, lioness queen, so brave, so bright, guiding her family through day and night, with love in her steps and strength unseen. All bow to the lioness queen. She teaches her cubs how to laugh and play, how to be kind in their own special way. Through every shadow, through every light, she keeps them safe in the dark of night. Through whispering winds and skies so blue, her love is a bond that forever stays true. So bright, guiding her family through day and night, with love in her steps and strength unseen. All bow to the lioness queen. When the stars shine high in the velvet sky, she sings them songs as the night drifts by, a lullaby soft as the moon's warm glow. In her loving care, her cubs will grow. Oh, lioness queen with a heart of gold, a story of courage forever told. Through every storm and peaceful sea, shines the light of the lioness queen.